creamy, delicious, and the layers make it look so fancy. We are making tiramisu. Hi, I'm Lauren from Taste Better from Scratch, and I'm excited to share my easy version of this classic Italian dessert. If you got a few minutes, let me show you how. Let's start with the creamy layer. Add 1.5 cups of heavy cream to a mixing bowl. We're gonna mix this for just a second. While we're mixing, we're gonna slowly add in 1/3 cup of granulated sugar. We're gonna mix this up until soft peaks. We can also add in 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we don't want to mix this too much, we just want it to come together in kind of soft, fluffy peaks. Okay, now that we've reached kind of this soft peak stage, we are going to fold in our mascarpone. This is the key ingredient to tiramisu. It's a delicious kind of Italian cream, similar to cream cheese. And I always like to let mine sit at room temperature for at least 30 minutes or so to soften up before we fold it in. So use a rubber spatula to just gently fold that mascarpone into this whipped cream mixture until it's nice and smooth, and that's it. So this is the creamy filling that I use. Traditional tiramisu uses raw eggs. So you whip the egg whites and you whip the egg yolks with sugar. I've found this recipe even easier and tastes just as great, so this is how I like to do it. Next, grab a shallow dish. I'm using a pie plate, that works great. We're gonna add 1.5 cups of cold espresso. And this is what we're gonna dip our ladyfingers in, just gently so they soak up some of that delicious coffee flavor. Have my ladyfingers here. You can find these in the cookie aisle at the grocery store. This part is so easy and fun. You can get your kids involved. Just grab a ladyfinger. We're gonna dip it really briefly on both sides in the espresso and put it right into our 8x8 baking dish, or just any similar size pan is fine. Just a quick dip. This will soak up the coffee mixture really quickly, so don't let it sit in there for very long. Just a quick dip on both sides and right into the pan. You can break these cookies up to get them to fit. I always have to break one in half at the very end just to fill this last little gap. I just want an even layer of ladyfingers at the bottom. And now we're going to add our cream filling on top. So just use about half of the filling in the middle, and we're gonna use the rest on the very top. So just grab a big spoonful. Again, you just wanna use about half of this creamy filling and smooth it all over the top. We're halfway there. We're going to repeat that process with one more layer of dipped ladyfingers and then a final layer of that creamy filling. And we're ready for our final layer. Add the rest of this mascarpone cream filling right on top. This is such a fun and easy no-bake dessert. The final touches of this delicious and easy dessert is to add a little bit of cocoa powder on top. So grab a small little fine mesh strainer or a duster, like a powdered sugar duster. We're just gonna gently shake some of this cocoa powder all over the top. That's it. Now all we need to do is cover this up, stick it in the fridge for at least 3 hours or even overnight. This is a great dessert to make ahead of time, even 1 to 3 days ahead of time. Let's go stick this in the fridge. This would be a great time to add coffee-flavored liqueur if you want to. We're making ours kid-friendly, so I'm leaving it out. I can't wait to dig into this. Moment of truth. I love the first one that you pull out, seeing all the fun layers. So pretty. My favorite part of the day, give this a try. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe for more delicious homemade recipes, and we'll see you next time.